Not impressed by the refined design of the regular-sized Galaxy S23 shown off in full in a fresh set of leaked official marketing pics yesterday? How about the instantly recognizable looks of Samsung's most advanced upcoming handset? After official press material of the Galaxy S23 leaked earlier, we managed to obtain press material of the S23 Ultra, and this time they show the flagship phone from all angles and in 4 color options. They're reportedly called Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Botanic Green, and Misty Lilac. Samsung announced that it will hold its first Galaxy Unpacked of the year on Feb 1. New Galaxy phones will be announced at this press event, most likely including the S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. All preparations for this are in full swing, and New Mobile have therefore managed to obtain the press images. We see the Galaxy S23 Ultra in 4 different colors and from all angles. Just like the S22 Ultra, the device has a built-in S Pen and the rest of the appearance hardly differs. The back does seem flatter this year. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has 4 rear-facing cameras, 3 of which reside in equally sized circular cutouts. They're subtle and look exquisite. These new renders may have also given us a preview of the official wallpapers that Samsung will preload on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and they all seem to resemble planetoid objects. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is said to be the first Galaxy phone with a 200-megapixel camera. Issues with autofocus have been completely resolved, and the device is said to have improved stabilization for sharper shots. What other functions the device will receive will become clear on Feb 1. Let's see what happened in the future. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Comment down below, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace out.